In this lecture, we're going to show a tool trim and extend. So let's create a sketch on front plane. Let's go with a line. Let's create a line here, like this, horizontal line. Let's put some dimension. Let's put in here 50 millimeters, like this, and let's click OK. Now let's create another line. So let's go here with midpoint, and let's create here vertical line, like this. Let's go to Smart Dimension. Let's put some dimension here. Let's make this one 30 millimeters. And now let's put here, from this line to the origin, let's make this 65 millimeters. Like this, let's click OK. And let's make this point and this point horizontal. And click OK. And now our sketch is fully defined. And now here, as we see, we have a gap. And for example, now we want to extend this line up to this line here. So what we can do, we can just go here and we can change the dimension. Or we can go to this tool, click on this arrow, and here we have a extend entities. Let's choose this one. And now we can click on the line that we want to extend. If you move your mouse on this line, you can see the preview that this line will be extended up to the next line. So let's click on this line. And now we see that we have extended our line. So without changing any dimension, by using only one tool, we have extended our line. But now we see that our sketch is not fully defined. If you click on this point, you see that we can move this line. So we can click on this line, hold Ctrl this point, and we can make those points coincident, like this. And now our sketch is fully defined. Now let's create another line. Let's start here, and let's go to here, like this. Let's make this point and this point vertical. Okay, let's put some dimension. Let's make this 90 millimeters. And let's define the gap here, 13 millimeters, like this. And now, for example, we see that this line is crossing this vertical line. And we want to adjust this line that will end here on this line. So we want this point on this line here. So we can change here dimension, or we can go here to trim entities. Just click here. So we have to choose the part of the line that we want to cut. So let's click on this line here. This one we want to cut. We can see that color is changed. And now we have a warning because of the dimensions. And do you want to continue? Yes. And now we see that we got this without changing the dimension. So with a trim and extend, you can extend a line or you can trim a line. Now let's go to the circle and let's create a circle here, like this. And now, for example, we want to cut this part of the circle between those two lines and this one. We can simply go to the trim. We can click on this part and this part here, like this. And now we got this result. Or for example, we want to cut this line here between this circle. So we can just simply click here, here, and you can cut everything that is intersecting. Or for example, you want to cut this between those two lines. This line here, yes, and this is cut. And now, for example, if you want to go back, if you want to extend this, you can just go here, extend entities, click on this line, and you are back here with this line. So with trim tool and extend tool, you can trim or extend some sketch entity.